In this video, you'll learn how to make a private Slack channel public. This process will allow anyone in your workspace, except guests, to see the message history and join the channel. Begin by opening your Slack application. Ensure you are logged into your workspace. If prompted, enter your credentials to access your Slack account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the channel you wish to modify. Next, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click on the name of the private channel you want to channel view, where you can see the messages of members currently in the channel. After that, look for the three dots icon, often referred to as the More Actions button, situated near the top right corner of the channel header. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Once the menu appears, select the option labeled Edit Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust the channel settings, including privacy options. Then find the option that says Change to a Public Channel. Click on this to initiate the transition from private to public. A confirmation message will typically appear, providing details about the implications of this change. Following this, a prompt will ask you to confirm the change to a public channel. Review the message carefully, as it will indicate that anyone from your workspace can now access the channel, including its message history. Keep in mind that once the channel is made public, anyone in your workspace, except guests, will be able to see its contents and join. This change is significant, especially if sensitive information has been shared in the channel previously. If you decide to revert the channel back to private, be aware that it will continue to be visible to anyone who has already joined it. This is an important consideration before finalizing your decision. Finally, click on the Change to Public button to complete the process. A confirmation message should appear indicating that the channel has been successfully converted to public. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.